Hey guys, this is Hayden here at Freedom Homes. I want to show y'all another single wide that we got here. It's called the Exhilaration. This house is awesome. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, 14 by 76. It's from our Tru Home Factory from Alabama. What's great about this home, you do get the vinyl siding on it, so it's easy to repair. So if you did get a crack or break in your vinyl, it's real easy to fix. Come on in here, show y'all this gorgeous home. So like I said, it's a 3-bed, 2-bath, 14 by 76. How awesome is this home? So nice. So what's great about this home, it's a energy smart home. So you got R33 in the roof, R22 in the floor. In fact, we actually have a little poster of it right here. Low E windows, programmable thermostat, airtight construction. This house is built in a factory. It is nice. I love it. You come in, you have a nice little dining area. A lot of cabinet storage. There's a ton of cabinets. Come over here. I want to show y'all the little utility area we got over here. You have the main water shut off right here. So if you have a leak of some kind, you can fix that. You have a rear entry door right here. I love this flooring that they put in these homes. This house is our Tru Home line, so really what you see is what you get. They don't give us a lot of options to customize, but that's why this house is lower in price than any other house here on the lot. I love how they put the window over the sink. Gives you something to look out on when you look at the neighbor, the other house. Come here, I'll show you the master bedroom. Look at this big bed that we put in here. Fits just perfect in here. I mean, still got plenty of room to move around, put furniture in. You got this giant window, and it's a low E window. What's great about it, it's not letting the heat out, and it's not letting the cold in. Got your master bath here with a shower tub combo, and your commode and your sink. Then you have your closet over here. Oh, nice closet, reach around on. Come over here. So this is your master side. Then your guest rooms are on the other side. What's great about this house is a part of the Energy Smart we have something new that we're putting in is called the Ecobee programmable smart thermostat. Sorry, it was a programmable thermostat, but this one's a smart thermostat. So you can actually control it with your phone on an app. Set it to come on and off whenever you want it to. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. So you got your guest rooms over here. This is bedroom number 1. This is very similar to the Glory or the Delight. If you checked out either of those videos or checked out those houses from this factory, this one's the Exhilaration. And what's awesome about this factory, they make all different size houses. They have a 2-bed, 1-bath, single wide, all the way up to a 5-bed, 3-bath, double wide. I mean, it's crazy what this factory does for us. You got your guest room over here. Big room. It's great for a roommate, kids. You're gonna have room for everyone. So, like I said, this one's the Exhilaration. It's a great little home. But you can come on by. We have it set up. You can come check it out. freedomhomes@tulsa.com. Or you can just come by. 9516 East Admiral Place, Tulsa, Oklahoma. Southwest corner of the Mingo Admiral traffic circle. All right. Thanks, guys.